Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add clickable links to Canva. To start, open Canva. Let's use this design as an example. Choose the element you want to add the link to. Click on the element once to select it. A small panel will appear. Click on the three dots labeled More, then select Link. Next, you'll need the link that you want to add. You can either type it directly or copy it from a web page. Simply double-click on the link in the address bar, then use CT or L+C to copy it. Now use CT or L+V to paste the copied link. Once you've added the link, click Done. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your Canva design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.